everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are at a warehouse parking lot courtyard, a client of my mom's, to do some work on the van. But today we're not doing work on my van because she is in the shop getting some stuff done so that I don't have to worry about when I drive her up in the mountains anymore, to make sure like she's getting her radiator done and some spark plugs and some alignment, some things to make sure that she is super safe to drive. I have so much left to do in that van.
I have to seal and finish the wood, fix some grout, build a box in the front for water, mount the radio, get rid of more stuff, build a fully shower, add a water filter, fix the couch and the couch cushion to fit better, have to install a wood stove, and then I want to listen by all terrain wheels.
And then, I can check off get engine stuff fixed. And then I have to paint the van's exterior. I'm still thinking about that. And then I need to rearrange the solar on the top because I want to add a storage box on the top. So that's a lot of stuff. But we are working on my mom's van instead. I'm just like... So today we are going to be installing a water pump, and we're also installing some new solar panels.
Where's Lady? Where's Lady?
So we're very lucky to be able to use this warehouse space to work on this kind of stuff so that we're not bothering anyone and we can feel like we can let the dogs out and run around while we do all of our work. So I'm gonna help my mom today. Anyways, so we're gonna start working. And my mom bought me coffee because she's nice to me. That's why I'm talking really fast. William, are you helping us? Are you helping us? And Lady, are you helping us? No, you're not helping us. You need to get a job. Just kidding.
She's like, I'm chilling.
She's like, my job is to cuddle with you and be your best friend. Yeah.
I mean, that can't be the only way that it attaches.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, I think we might need to get a connector piece for that. So there's these like quick release connector pieces that I think you would put on the end of this little cord here. I mean, a cord. Still thinking electro. Tube. You stick it inside of there, and then
it goes in there and sticks.
Yeah, but also it's fine because this is on the other side of the pump. Oh, I think you might have it backwards. Anyways.
What do you mean?
This is pulling from the thing, so it needs to go out the other end. Let's make sure. Which is which?
Stay on the pump.
Oh no, this is right. Okay, good.
Tell me I'm wrong.
I was just checking, okay? I just want to make sure that we don't get water or like things break or anything.
I agree. I don't want those things.
Unfortunately, this pump broke.
We think.
We don't know. We don't know what we're doing. No, we think it broke because we hooked up everything and it stopped working. So we ordered a new one. My mom ordered a new one. I didn't pay for this. So it should be pretty simple from here. I'm just gonna install the pump. The FlowJet model 03526-144 water pump system. 12 volts, 7.5 amps.
Well, not replace it, but like. Ouch. That was the old.
You want the new one?
Well, I gotta. It's not yet.
I was like, the connections aren't even connected. Where are... I need a screwdriver that can take this out. That fit. Yep, that's right.
Where's the black one gonna go?
On the other third prong.
Oh, okay.
If you watched my electrical video, I had just normal wire cutters. These are even cooler. Look at this. These flip from wire cutter to wire stripper to wire crimper. These are the coolest. Yeah, get these ones. These are the awesome ones. So we found the culprit as to why the pump was not working before. It was because one of the single connections on the positive end was not connected fully with the metal. So when it was touching the fuse box, it just was not getting a connection. So now we're replacing the new one with the old one to see if the old one's gonna work. And if the old one works, then we're gonna return that other one because that was $60 for my mom. So that's like gas money right there. So like back in my college days, I was like really into electronic, well, I'm still into electronic music and like making it, but I've kind of taken a hiatus, but this is how I make music now. Every sound is music. Every single tone is music.
Look at William, he just popped.
He just flopped on the ground. All right, so the pump is installed. Hey! Now we got to change the solar panels because the flexible solar panels, I highly do not recommend those unless you're like, it's on a boat or something or you're really worried about weight, because just keeping those, keeping them down on the roof is like really just so annoying. So we got to remove those, right, Mom?
Yeah, that's gonna be it.
And put these rigid ones up there, and then we're gonna use the flexible ones as extra ones that we can have on a longer wire that we can put out in the sun when, if we want to be parked in the shade and still get solar. So that's the plan. Okay, so it's time for us to get up on the roof and remove those. Not looking forward to it.
Is it gonna be terrible?
It'll be fine.
You want me to get up there too, or?
I could do it.
Yeah.
All right, so now comes the task of removing all of this. I put this up here about 2 years ago. Mama's gotta take it down, I guess. Here we go. Thankfully, most of this stuff is kind of old.
Yeah.
So, ooh. I'm not looking forward to seeing what's under this. This stuff only sticks when you don't want it to stick. That is the rule of Eternabond tape. Do not do this, guys. This is the worst freaking way to have solar. Yay! Huh?
It's so dirty and stuff.
I know, it's so beat up. Okay, maybe I can get the next one really easily.
Yeah, with those it'll be easy.
Okay.
Or with that.
Razor blade is the way to go, guys. Oh my god, it worked. I'm just like, razor blade.
It's so fun.
Oh, like, this could be a lot easier with a razor blade, but you playing games. Ugh. 21-year-old me didn't know what she was doing. It wasn't bad though.
Well, you did what you could.
What I could with the resources I had. But time for an upgrade for you because you deserve it. Razor blading this out of the way. Oh, it's off. Look how clean this is compared to over there. Ew. And I'm basically rolling around in it right now. I'm grimy. I'm disgusting and grimy, but just how I like it.
I mean, it is sort of heavy.
Oh, this thing is a whomper. Oh, I'm excited about this guy.
And the plugins are on that side.
This is a beast of a solar panel. So big. I'm excited. Like so. One there. Oh, this is going to take up a lot of space. That's okay though. Oh my god, Mom. You have to look up here.
I know.
So,
That's energy. Right there.
yeah, that's what you gotta do, I guess. Hells yeah. So we've decided to change the orientation of the solar panels in order to have all of these brackets that we just screwed in to be flush with one of the ridges. So hopefully they'll fit in there. They'll fit nicely. So we're gonna figure this out. But the next step is to just screw them in, secure them, and they're pretty much plugged in. We're just using the same cables from the other solar panels, and we're connecting them in parallel to keep it 12-volt system. And soon she's gonna have 320 watts of power pulling in. Well, that's a lot of freaking power, but to run an internet business, she needs to have all of the power.
The positive first and then the negative?
Doesn't matter. So here we are with the solar panels. They're up here now, plugged in. Now we're testing to see if it works. Just before we drill all of the holes in the van, just in case. Some of this tape under each of the brackets, and then drill the little holes and add in the screws. Through there. Alright, so we're done changing out the pump and putting in the solar panels, and now we're gonna eat some lunch.
Yeah.
I hope this video isn't going to be too short, but I just wanted to document this process. I hope everybody is taking care of themselves, and if you are able to, I hope that you are also taking care of others around you, because it is important that we all stay together and united during this time and take care of one another.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyways, so thank you for watching this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Peace.
Bye.